Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Daily Dialogues. I am Arthur, your English fluency coach.
And I am Emma. We are so happy you are here today. Arthur, today's lesson is very important, right?
That's right, Emma. Today, we are going to the grocery store. Whether you are in London, New York, or Sydney, you need to know how to buy food in English.
This is a long lesson. We have 30 different dialogues. We will go from the entrance of the store all the way to the checkout.
But this is not just a lesson. It is a challenge. We have 5 questions for you. You must listen carefully to find the answers.
Yes. If you find all 5 answers, write them in the comments section.
We will check the time you posted your comment.
The first 10 people to get all 5 correct will get a special reward. We will announce your names in our next episode.
So stay until the end. Emma, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's look at question number 1. What food is the shopper going to cook tonight?
Keep that question in your mind. Let's start the lesson.
We are now at the entrance. Everything is big and confusing. Let's listen to our first few dialogues.
Excuse me, where can I find the shopping carts?
They are just behind you, near the entrance.
Do you have any hand baskets? I only need a few things.
Yes, they are right here in the stack by the first aisle.
Let's stop for a moment. Listen to the word aisle. It is spelled A-I-S-L-E, but the S is silent. You say it like aisle. An aisle is the long path between the shelves. Let's continue.
I'm looking for the dairy section. Could you point me in the right direction?
Certainly. Walk straight to the back and turn left at the milk fridges.
Which aisle is the flour in? I'm planning to bake a cake tonight.
Flour is in aisle 4, right next to the sugar.
Is there a limit on how many cartons of eggs I can buy?
No, there is no limit today. You can take as many as you need.
Where is the international foods aisle? I'm looking for soy sauce.
That's aisle 8, right in the middle of the store.
Now we move to level 2. But before we do, please click the subscribe button. It helps us make more lessons for you.
Question number 2. How does the shopper want their ham sliced? Listen for the answer.
Do you have any freshly baked sourdough bread left?
We do. I just brought these out 5 minutes ago.
I'd like a ½ pound of sliced ham, please.
Of course. How would you like that sliced?
Could you slice that extra thin? I like it for sandwiches.
You got it. 1/2 pound of extra thin ham coming up.
Look at the word sourdough. It is a very popular bread. Let's listen to 3 more dialogues in this section.
Is this beef locally sourced?
Yes, it is. It comes from a farm only 50 miles from here.
How much is this per kilogram? The price tag is a bit blurry.
That is $12 per kilogram today.
Do you have any riper avocados? These ones are a bit hard.
Check the small basket on the left. Those are ready to eat today.
Level 2 is finished. Did you get the answer? The shopper wanted the ham extra thin. We are halfway through the video. If you are still here, you are doing amazing. Your English is getting better every minute. Now, level 3 is the challenge mission. This is the prize question. Question number 3. What specific fruit is out of stock? Remember, out of stock means the store has none left. Does this bread contain any nuts? I have an allergy.
Let me check the label. No, this one is nut-free.
Is this milk organic?
Yes, the one with the green cap is 100% organic.
Is this juice on sale? The sign says buy one, get one free.
Yes, just grab 2 and the second one will be $0.
Do I need a membership card for this discount?
Yes, you need to scan your loyalty card at the register.
Did you catch it?
I won't say the answer yet. If you find the answer for our prize competition, write it down. Now, let's move to level 4, sales and savings.
I have a digital coupon on my phone. Can you scan it?
Of course, just hold your screen up to the scanner.
If I buy 2 of these, is there a bulk discount?
Yes, if you buy 2, the price drops to $4 each.
Is this express lane for 10 items or less?
Yes, it is. You are perfect for this lane.
I brought my own reusable bags. I'll pack them myself.
That's wonderful. Thank you for helping the environment.
Could I have a plastic bag, please? I forgot mine.
Sure, that will be an extra 10 cents.
Do you accept contactless payment, like Apple Pay?
Yes, just tap your phone on the terminal.
I'd like to pay half in cash and the rest on my card.
No problem. Let's start with the cash.
Oh, I changed my mind about this chocolate bar.
Of course, I'll take it off the bill for you.
Can I get a receipt in the bag, please?
Certainly. I'll put it right here. Your total is $45, but after your discount, you saved exactly $7.50 today.
We did it! 30 dialogues. That was a lot of English. If you are still watching, you are a superstar. You just practiced listening, vocabulary, and culture. Now, it's time for your homework. Do you have the answers? Let's review. What was the shopper cooking? How was the ham sliced? What fruit was out of stock? What was the price mistake? How much money did she save? Write your answers in the comments below. We are looking for the first 10 people. We will shout out your names in the next video. Goodbye, everyone.